What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Sam Alxr, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can repaint a midsole on a pair of Air Max 1s. I've got the Nike Air Max 1 colour changing pair here, and as you can see that midsole is in terrible condition. The paint has cracked, going pretty much all the way around. So in today's video I'm going to give them a repaint. Before I get into the tutorial though, I'm going to give you a close-up look and then we can get into the equipment that you'll need. So to do this restoration, you'll need masking tape, nail polish remover or acetone, cotton pads, Angelus direct leather paint because the soles are white, we're going to be using the white colour, and you'll also need to use a paintbrush. Now let's get into it. Okay, let's get into it. The first thing you're going to need to do is use the nail polish remover and acetone and take off that factory finish on the midsole before we can get into painting it. So just going ahead, getting a cotton pad, putting a nail polish remover on the cotton pad. That should be enough. And then wiping it on the midsole. So now the factory finish has been removed from the soles, the paint's going to adhere to the shoes so much better. The next step before the shoes can be painted is applying masking tape to the bottom of the shoes and the top part. That way, when it comes to painting the sole, the paint's only going to go on the sole and not accidentally on the upper or the bottom of the shoes. So let's get into taping them up. There are different types of masking tape you can use. So before you go ahead and start putting it over the shoes, make sure that when you put it on the upper and you take it off, it doesn't leave residue. Because this masking tape that I'm using, put it on the shoes, leave it, when it comes to taking it off, it doesn't leave residue, which means it's good and it won't leave a mark on your shoes. The shoes are fully taped up, prepped and ready to go. Now let's start painting them and fixing that cracked midsole. Three coats of paint later and they're completely done. Now let's take the masking tape off and see how they look. Here is the finished product. They look so much better than before. They got that white glossy look to them. The soles are no longer cracked. I'm going to show you a before and after look. But before I go, if you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also turn on the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video, which is every single day. I do daily uploads. If you did enjoy this video, if you did find it helpful, smash that thumbs up button. It's been your boy Sam Alxr. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop, my future looks overseas. I'm on a new level, check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Check like it's Nike, may I just do it.